An aircraft flies from London to Sydney in a time of 21 hours 40 minutes. It is in hours and minutes. So time taken should be converted only to seconds and meters, because you see all the units are like this. Distance traveled is 17,000 kilometers. What is the average speed? Okay, see there are two problems in this. Okay, one is the unit, another one is, see, the numbers are same. Okay, so therefore you need to convert it into units and the suffixes, the values over here. So what we do is we have 17,000. What is the average speed? Average speed V is nothing but 17,000 kilometer divided by 21 hours and 40 minutes. This is what you should get. So it should now be, I'll write this as 1.7 into 10 power 4 into 10 cube, which is 10 power 7 divided by 21 hours and 40 minutes. So this I need to convert. So how do I convert this? Is I'll go back to my calculator. I'll write this as 21 multiplied by 60. I want to convert it into seconds over here. So which means that I need to convert this. Now let me convert it into minutes. So I get this as 1260. So 1260 plus 60 minutes, right? I just converted the first one. That is this one I have converted into minutes. Okay, which would now be 1.7 into 10 to the power of 7 divided by 1260 plus 60 should be 1320 minutes. If I have converted into seconds, it will be 1.7 into 10 to the power of 7 divided by 1320 multiplied by 60 seconds, which should now be 1.7 into 10 to the power of 7 divided by 1.3 into, if I put 1.3 here, I get 3 here, 10 power 3, and here if I put 1 here, 6 here, 6 into 10 to the power of 4 here, 60 here. Okay, so which when I do this one, this will become 1.7 by 1.3 into 6 into 10 to the power of 3 over here. See, definitely 1.7 and 1.3, it can go one time or 1 point something divided by 6. Okay, maybe around 0.1 something. Okay, so now this is around 2.2 you get. Okay, so you will get 0.22 here into 10 cube. You will get this as 0.22. If you want, you can use your calculator. So I write this as 1.7 divided by 1.3 is equal to so much divided by 6 is equal to 0.217, which is 0.22. I told you, no, into 10 cube I get. Now I have everything in terms of 2.2. So this should now be 2.2 into 10 square. Now I need to find, see, this is there. Now multiples of this should give it L square. Okay, so this is definitely incorrect, meter per second, because this is also meter per second here. So 10 power 7 into 10 power minus 6 will give you how much? 10 here. What about this? 10 power 11 into 10 power minus 9 will give you 10 square here. So this is the right answer. If you want, you can check this also. 10 power 6 into 10 power minus 3 will give you 10 cube over here. So C is the right answer. Okay.